The emotional benefits of gardening. What if the peace you've been searching for isn't found on a screen, in a store, or even in a vacation, but right outside your door, hidden in a handful of soil and a tiny seed? In a world that moves faster every day, many people feel overwhelmed, stressed, anxious, and disconnected. We spend hours staring at screens, rushing from one responsibility to the next, often forgetting to slow down and simply breathe. But there is a simple activity that has been quietly healing hearts for generations. That activity is gardening. Today, we're going to explore the emotional benefits of gardening and discover why something as simple as planting a flower, growing vegetables, or caring for a small garden can have such a powerful impact on our mental and emotional well-being. The garden, nature's therapy room. Life can feel heavy sometimes. Bills pile up. Work becomes stressful. Relationships face challenges. The news can leave us feeling worried about the future. When everything feels out of control, gardening offers something precious, a sense of calm. The moment your hands touch the soil, your attention shifts away from worries and toward the present moment. You begin focusing on what is right in front of you. A plant, a flower, a seed. For many people, gardening becomes a form of therapy. Instead of dwelling on yesterday's mistakes or tomorrow's fears, gardeners learn to focus on today's small tasks. Water the plants, pull a few weeds, watch for new growth. Little by little, stress begins to fade. Gardening reduces stress and anxiety. Have you ever noticed how peaceful you feel after spending time outdoors? That's not an accident. Nature has a unique way of calming the human mind. Gardening combines several stress-relieving activities at once: fresh air, sunlight, physical movement, connection with nature, mindful focus. When you're tending a garden, your brain gets a break from constant stimulation. The endless notifications stop, the noise fades, your heart rate slows, your breathing becomes deeper. Many gardeners describe their garden as their happy place, a sanctuary where they can escape the pressures of daily life. Even just 15 or 20 minutes in a garden can make a stressful day feel more manageable. Gardening gives us hope. One of the most emotional benefits of gardening is the lesson of hope. Think about what a seed represents. When you plant a seed, you don't see immediate results. You water it, you care for it, you wait. At first, nothing seems to happen. Then one day, a tiny sprout appears. That simple moment reminds us of an important truth. Good things take time. Gardening teaches patience. It teaches faith. It reminds us that growth often happens beneath the surface before anyone can see it. Just like plants, people grow too. Sometimes we're developing strength, wisdom, and resilience long before the results become visible. A garden becomes a powerful reminder that better days are coming. Gardening creates a sense of purpose. Many people struggle with feelings of loneliness or lack of direction. Gardening gives us something meaningful to care for. Plants depend on us. They need water. They need attention. They need nurturing. Every morning brings a new reason to step outside and check on their progress. That responsibility creates purpose. Whether you're growing tomatoes, roses, herbs, or sunflowers, you're participating in something bigger than yourself. You're helping life flourish, and that feeling can be incredibly rewarding. Even on difficult days, a garden gives you a reason to keep showing up. Gardening connects us to nature. Modern life often separates us from nature. Many people spend most of their time indoors, surrounded by concrete, screens, and artificial light. Gardening reconnects us with the natural world. You begin noticing things you may have overlooked before. The sound of birds singing, the movement of butterflies, the warmth of the morning sun, the smell of fresh soil after rain. These simple experiences awaken a sense of wonder. They remind us that we are part of something beautiful and alive. Nature has a way of putting our problems into perspective. The garden teaches us that every season serves a purpose. There are seasons of growth, seasons of waiting, seasons of harvest, and even seasons of rest. Gardening builds confidence. There's something deeply satisfying about growing something with your own hands. Watching a plant thrive because of your care creates a sense of accomplishment. Every flower that blooms becomes a small victory. Every vegetable harvested becomes proof of your effort. Even beginners experience this feeling. You don't need a huge garden. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need years of experience. You simply need to start. Each success builds confidence, and over time, that confidence often extends into other areas of life. If you can grow a garden, maybe you can tackle that project. Maybe you can overcome that challenge. Maybe you're stronger than you realize. Gardening helps heal emotional wounds. Life leaves scars, loss, heartbreak, disappointment, grief. Many people have discovered that gardening provides comfort during difficult seasons. The quiet rhythm of planting, watering, and nurturing offers emotional healing. Gardens don't rush the process. They allow us to slow down and feel, to reflect, to remember, to recover. Some people plant memorial gardens in honor of loved ones. Others find peace simply by spending time among flowers and trees. A garden becomes a safe space where healing can happen naturally. Gardening brings joy through small victories. In today's world, we're often taught to chase big achievements, big promotions, big purchases, big accomplishments. Gardening reminds us to celebrate small victories. The first flower, the first tomato, the first butterfly visit, the first green sprout emerging from the soil. These moments may seem small, but they bring genuine happiness. They remind us that joy doesn't always come from major milestones. Sometimes happiness grows quietly, one leaf at a time. Final inspirational takeaway. What makes gardening so powerful isn't just the plants that grow in the soil. It's the growth that happens within us. Gardens teach patience when we're struggling, hope when we're discouraged, purpose when we're lost, peace when we're overwhelmed, and joy when we need it most. You don't need a large backyard to experience these benefits. A single flower pot, a small raised bed, a few herbs on a windowsill, that's enough to begin. Because every garden starts with one seed, and every transformation starts with one small step. So if life feels overwhelming right now, consider planting something, not just for the flowers, vegetables, or beauty, but for yourself. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell. You may discover that while you're growing a garden, the garden is quietly growing you too. And sometimes, the smallest seed can grow into the greatest source of hope.